Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Monster Solutions app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. You just click on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going, you click here on apps. Come to apps list here until you're looking for Monster Solutions app. You just click on search, then here at on search, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.